Welcome to our cosmic journey. Today, we're diving into some fascinating and lesser-known facts about galaxies. Buckle up, because the universe is about to blow your mind. From galactic cannibalism to the mysteries of dark matter, get ready for a cosmic adventure. Let's embark on this voyage of discovery together. You might think galaxies just peacefully coexist, but the universe is a rough neighborhood. Larger galaxies often consume smaller ones in a process called galactic cannibalism. Our own Milky Way is in the process of devouring smaller galaxies, like the Sagittarius dwarf galaxy. It's a slow and messy process taking place over billions of years. What makes up most of a galaxy? If you guess stars, gas, and dust, you're only partially right. The vast majority of a galaxy's mass, about 85%, is made up of dark matter. This invisible substance doesn't interact with light, making it hard to detect. Yet we know it's there because of its gravitational pull, holding galaxies together like cosmic glue. Deep within the heart of most galaxies, including our own Milky Way, lurks a supermassive black hole. These gravitational behemoths can be millions or even billions of times the mass of our Sun. They play a crucial role in the evolution of galaxies, acting as gravitational anchors. It's a cosmic balancing act where destruction and creation go hand in hand. Galaxy collisions are not uncommon. Despite involving billions of stars, individual stars rarely collide during these events. The gas and dust within these galaxies get stirred up, triggering bursts of intense star formation. Our own Milky Way is on a collision course with the Andromeda Galaxy in about 4 billion years. Mark your calendars. The Milky Way is part of a gathering of about 50 galaxies called the Local Group. The Local Group is just one small part of the Laniakea supercluster, a colossal structure containing thousands of galaxies. It's mind-boggling to think that our seemingly vast Milky Way is just a tiny blip in this cosmic metropolis. Knowing our cosmic neighbors helps us understand our place in the universe. We tend to picture galaxies as majestic spirals or smooth ellipticals, but some galaxies, known as irregular galaxies, exhibit the most bizarre and fascinating shapes imaginable. These galactic oddballs often get their unique looks from gravitational interactions or past collisions. It's a cosmic game of tug-of-war, stretching and distorting these galaxies into fantastic forms. Quasars shine like beacons from a distant past. These incredibly luminous objects are the most energetic phenomena in the universe. The power source behind these cosmic lighthouses, supermassive black holes on a feeding frenzy. They offer us a glimpse into the early universe, when black holes were more active and galaxies were still forming. Some galaxies are veritable star factories, churning out new stars at astonishing rates. These starburst galaxies are like cosmic nurseries on overdrive, often triggered by galactic collisions. In a starburst galaxy, hundreds of stars can burst into existence every single year. It's a spectacular display of cosmic creation. If galaxies had a size contest, IC 1101 would be the undisputed champion. This supergiant elliptical galaxy stretches a mind-boggling 6 million light-years across. To put that in perspective, that's roughly 60 times the size of our Milky Way. It's a testament to the sheer scale and grandeur of the universe. And there you have it, 9 incredible facts about galaxies that showcase the wonders of our universe. If you enjoyed this journey through the cosmos, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more stellar content. Every new discovery brings us one step closer to understanding our place in the grand scheme of things. Keep exploring, keep questioning, and keep looking up.